Hey, welcome to the Anton Earn Money channel. Today we will talk about how to start a YouTube channel as a small YouTuber. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your like that more people see that channel. Let's dive directly into the video. How to begin with your channel. I know it is difficult to start with the correct idea for a functional channel. I know it from my own experience. Many years back, I started with some videos for different niches because I wasn't sure how to start with the channel and how to go around with the channel. What types of keywords I have to put in my video and where I have to put the tags. There are so many points and insecurity to do it the right way. It is of great importance that you do it the right way, otherwise nobody will see you on the net. Your videos have to be visible, otherwise what sense does it make to upload videos to your channel? The videos are your voice. You want other people to hear it, and in case you offer some products or services, how do you want to earn money if nobody sees your channel and your videos? So, do you understand why it is important to start with your YouTube channel the right way? Does this idea make sense to you? Otherwise, you will lose lots of hours you spent for your business without any success. It is imperative to start from scratch the right way. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense that you start in the first place. We will show you in this video that you start with the right foot in your online home business adventure. This is our goal to help you to get success with your online home business. I can tell you from my own experience that I have had subscribers for some of my videos that you could not count on one hand, and that within a time period of a few months. So what do you need to start with your channel? You need someone that shows you how to do and how to do it. Or you need someone that shows you what to do and how to do it. You can search on YouTube and find videos that explain how to set up your channel and do it this way. You can also buy a course from Matt Parr, and he will show you step by step what to do and how to do it. How to set up your Google account in case you do not have one, and your channel. He also shows you to secure your channel from hackers, because it will be your business that you do not want to lose to some hackers. He will show you everything that you need and that you have to know in order to get it up and running the right way. And I tell you, this guy is telling you everything, and you can even ask him in the mastermind group on Facebook when you get stuck or have some problems that you do not allow you to go ahead. I can tell you from my own experience that within a day you will get the information to keep going and get your channel up. I guess this is an investment that you will not regret when you have your business running. This course really opened my eyes, and the best thing is that you can do it at your own pace. When you cannot remember something, you go back to the video and listen to it and watch it until you are sure what you have to do. This is the part I like most, and certainly the mastermind group, where I get a lot of questions resolved, sometimes from the members itself or from Matt directly. It is really a great help for everyone who has started this course. What types of software do you need to make your own logos, channel art, and thumbnails? I tell you about my experience with one of the free software to make my logos, channel art, and thumbnails. I have done about 8 or 9 different graphics as logo, channel art, and thumbnails, and suddenly when uploading the thumbnail to put it on my video in YouTube, I got the message I have to upgrade in order to download the new graphic, because I have more graphics made as the permitted as a free software. And to upload it, I would have to upgrade my account that I can download as many as I want. So when starting as a small YouTuber, you either can make only a certain amount of graphics for your channel per month, or you have to pay someone at Fiverr or any other outsourcing company to make you a thumbnail. Or what I was thinking is that you get all your video titles and then in order to make all the thumbnails at once, pay 1 or 2 months and make it all the thumbnails you need for your videos. There is only one inconvenience that in case you want to test different thumbnails, you have to make a lot of different graphics in order to test the response for your click-through rate. Okay, there are also ways to get around some cons for working with free software, but in general, it is a great way to make your own videos and invest as little as possible for your online home business when you start up. The investment on a monthly basis is not that much. It is only $10, but I know how difficult it is because there are some more expenses you haven't thought of, and this sums up very quickly. So take that advice and do it the way to avoid expenses with other expenses which are necessary. There is no way around and you have to spend the money. How to save money to do all stuff on your own. I know besides the problems you will think you can have with free software, I can tell you that when you are starting up a YouTube channel, in most cases they don't have too much money to start with because you might look for a second job to increase your money a little bit, or you might have some economic problems because you were laid off from your previous job because of the pandemic. I don't know what your situation is, but I can assure you that you will have to control your expenses as much as possible. That is why I really recommend that you do as much work as possible for your own or on your own. First of all, it will give you a lot of experience, and when your business is running okay and has some money coming in, you can start to look up for outsourcing some of your work. When doing all on your own, it will take a little bit more time depending on if you have purchased the course as a guide, but it will still take some time to listen to all the lessons and keep going step by step together with the lessons Matt tells you. I can tell you it is a little bit more time consuming, but it is a surefire way to get the work done in the right way. And when going through that course, he will tell you what free software and free stuff to take in order to have a lot of money or to save a lot of money. I can assure you that there is no better way to save money and do most of all stuff on your own. We all know as a small YouTuber, you do not have the money, but you need to invest in time. Time is also money, but it's still better than spending your hard earned coins and being later on in other things short, especially if you have a family. Even if you don't, it is still better to do lots of stuff on your own because it gives it later on your sum of all of the work when giving it to outsourcing. Even if you don't, it is still better to do lots of stuff on your own because it gives you experience in your work and project in order to guide it later on for some or all of the work when giving it to outsourcing. In one way or another, you have to guide your team in order to do what you want to be done. What are the different kinds of documents and free of paid software that you need? Okay, when starting up your online home business, you need first of all get your files, documents, and all that stuff in a way that you later on can access from wherever you want. It is advisable to have a Google account and that you open and store all your files in the Google Drive and get it organized the way you like the best or the way you can manage it easily. Then you need it is good when you have or go according to a checklist which will get you without any cost in the course. You will have to find out or select your niche you want to build your channel in profitable niches you also will get from Matt in this course. Find an awesome name for your channel. You need snapper.com, canvas.com, or paint.net, which are free softwares to make your logo, channel art, and thumbnails. A Trello board template will be given in the course to organize all your projects. And a voiceover to record your scripts. You need a free video editor These are the most important softwares you will need to get videos done. What are the pros and cons when selecting free software? Okay, there are some advantages when downloading free software. First of all, you have it free and you do not have to pay for it. You can download it fast and start with your project. There are some items, as for example, some software such as Nubber don't let you download more than 6 or 7 graphics per month, which is not very much, but you will make logos, channel art, and thumbnails all on your own and use it for your channel because you are limited to a few videos only per month. Okay, there are some ways you can go around it as I have explained in point 3 already, and I do not want to repeat it again. You can go back or watch the video again so that you know how to avoid some unnecessary cost you want to avoid. Otherwise, another disadvantage is that you have some software ads that will pay and interrupt you in your workflow. Some other cons I have found out are some software do not work efficiently or have problems when you start with when whatever it is, be it graphics, sound, or editing your videos. I have had some problems with the software for editing videos and I have to try a few times or uninstall it and download it again in order to fix some problems. But it is the way free software sometimes works. By the way, you get when buying the course always a few options for free and paid software. With the 2 or 3 options you have what you will get to need to start it and do it the correct way, I promise you. How can you avoid paying for this software in case you need more than what they allow on a monthly basis? In point 3 I already mentioned you can avoid to pay in case you have problems with the quantity. You can either upload only a certain number of graphics per month, or you can get lots of thumbnails done for lots of videos and then upload all the graphics by paying $10 a month and cancel it after you have uploaded all the graphics. You have to decide, it depends on your workflow or time you have to do all your work in case it is your free time. You can upload graphics about 6, which is enough for a month if you make 6 videos per month. In case you make more, you have to decide what to do. But I guess for a startup it is quite okay because as I have seen, it is not that fast to do all the work as script writing, voiceover, video editing, and so on takes a certain time. But in case you are a super writer and editor, that takes only 2 or 3 nights, then you can pay within maybe $10 per month. How to get the work done with the minimum cost? I think with all the points above described and mentioned, you will have a good start to get everything done with a minimum cost. If you want to get the work done as it has to be to get success in a shorter time, I suggest that you will pay up from the money for the course because it will facilitate your work tremendously and it will also get you faster to achieve your goal. But this is up to you, depending how fast you want to achieve your success with your online home business. How to start with your YouTube channel and go public. There is quite a lot of work to do when uploading your first video. Or before I forget it, when uploading your video, but in it private put it in private that you can do all the optimizing work for your video and then everything is done, and then when everything is done you can set it up for publishing and check the results within a few days and see how your work is doing. By the way, in order to get monetized with your videos, you can promote affiliate products according to your niche, because before you can monetize it with YouTube ads, you need at least 1,000 subscribers to your channel and around 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Then you can register your channel in the partner program of YouTube and start to monetize your videos besides your affiliate promotions. Subscribe to the channel so that we can help you with your online business. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care and thanks for watching.